Hey dear friends on YouTube, it's time for a little DIY project. Look here in the background what I made. Made a little fireplace. But this fireplace here is a little special because it's a smokeless fire pit. I don't think it will be totally smoke free, but it's constructed in a special way so that it should give less smoke. So what I did here is that I bought a galvanized bucket at Home Depot and I put it down, and then I made a ring around it with bricks. And you can see here the lower ring, I have these gaps here, and that's for air to come in. And it will come up when you put fire in here. It will heat up, and it will heat up the bucket here, and then it will make the air go up, come out through these holes. So you basically get a ring of air that will go upwards here, and that should kind of contain the smoke, so the smoke goes up vertical instead of out to the side, and that should eliminate a lot of the smoke from a fire pit. So a very easy little project here that was fun to do, but can't wait to try it out. This is how it looks. We have a fire going. As you see here, there's really not much smoke. Try to go to the other side. And the smoke is actually coming this way here, but you don't really feel it much. And here you can see, right when you start it up, of course it smokes, but when it's hot, now you start getting the airflow, so there's really no smoke coming out. You can go all the way around it. Gives this airstream that basically lifts the smoke up. So that's how it works. Create this upgoing column of air that burns the smokes, and it's nice. Thank you for watching another video here from 6 Wheels Down. I hope you really enjoyed it. And for me to be able to continue to create content here for YouTube, please click the like and the subscribe button. That's the way you can help me to grow this channel and to continue create new content. Thank you for watching.